Hey Siri, set the lights to relax mode.
Enabling relax mode.
How's it going, guys? This is John from My Everyday Tech, and today what we have here is the Philips Hue personal wireless lighting system. So basically Philips Hue is part of the smart home technology, and I'm really excited, wanted to share with you guys what do I think of these fancy light bulbs and light strip. Starting off with the A60 Philips Hue, the starter kit. The starter kit comes with the Hue bridge itself. This is the main brain of all the smart light bulbs. There is this big button here for simple functions like getting connected to the mobile apps. What's inside the box as well is, of course, the power adapter, the Ethernet cable. The starter kits come with 3 Hue light bulbs. This is the Hue bulb. Now guys, this is the Philips Hue Lightstrip. What we have in the box is the power brick, or should I call it the power adapter. In this box, I believe is all the different pins for the power brick. Here's the light strip. Taking it out, as you can see at the back, they actually have the 3M double-sided tape. Underneath the box here, this is the light controller. This end, you plug into the power adapter. This goes to the wall, and you can connect the controller to the LED strip. There is 3M double-sided tape at the back so that you can stick it underneath, let's say, your table or anywhere you wish to set up the light. Because I already got one of those Philips Hue bridge, and each of these bridge can connect up to 50 light bulbs or light strip. Do I need a second Hue bridge? Which I don't really think so, but we shall take a look at this in case you have the requirement for the extra bridge. Right, opening up the box, yes, and immediately we have the bridge, which is the same as the one provided in the starter kit. In the box we have Ethernet cable, power adapter for the bridge. Without further ado, let us continue with the setup so that you guys know how easy it is to set up the Philips Hue lighting system. As you can see, the setup process is really simple, where you just download the Philips Hue app and pair it to the Hue bridge and you're good to go. All the lights control can be done through the app itself, including changing the scene and the color. But the most interesting feature of the Philips Hue is that the integration with the smart assistants such as the Apple Siri and Google Assistant. Hey Siri, set the lights to blue.
Blue coming right up.
Hey Siri, set the brightness to 50%.
Okay, I've set all of the lights to 50%.
So from what I have just demonstrated just now, I use Apple Siri to command the lights to change the color and brightness, and of course change it into different scenes that I have previously set. Hey Siri, set to energize mode.
Energize mode coming up.
But since I prefer the relax mode, so I'll just ask Siri to change it back to relax mode for me. Hey Siri, set the lights to relax mode.
Relax mode. Sure.
So, and that's how you do it with the Smart Assistant. The Philips Hue app also supports routines where you can set different time for the lights to work. For example, you want to go to bed and what time you want to wake up. So the lights will dim and of course turn it on by itself according to the time you have preset. I've been using the Philips Hue personal wireless lighting for over a week now, and to be honest, the experience itself is one of its kind. Imagine you have the power to control all the light in your house from the mobile app. You can change the color, the brightness level, and that's really amazing. You can instantly change the mood of your home so that you can use it for different occasions. For the price of 899 ringgit for the starter pack, which includes 3 light bulbs and 1 Philips Hue bridge, the price is kind of steep for beginners to get into the Philips Hue wireless lighting system. Consider that if you have plenty of light bulbs to replace, the cost is going to be high. So what did you guys think of the Philips Hue wireless lighting system? Let me know down in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe.